Hello everyone, and welcome to a world of opportunities on Amazon. Have you always dreamed of getting rich, finding additional income, enjoying new hobbies, sharing them with your family, and getting rid of all your financial problems? Then you are in the right place by watching our tutorial on selling on Amazon. Amazon, the world's largest online retailer, offers you a unique opportunity to sell your products to a large audience of billions of active customers. We'll show you how to take advantage of this opportunity to reach your financial goals in 2023. From product research to creating your seller account to marketing strategy, this new video is a complete guide to all the steps involved in selling on Amazon. Whether you're a beginner or an expert, this tutorial is designed to help you succeed. If you're ready to start selling on Amazon in 2023 and achieve financial freedom, then feel free to subscribe to our YouTube channel right now. By subscribing, you'll have access to exclusive tips, free training, and proven advice to help you succeed on Amazon. Join our growing community of accomplished Amazon sellers and find out how you too can reach your financial goals in 2023. So don't wait any longer, click the subscribe now button to make sure you don't miss out on your journey to success on Amazon. See you right after this.
Step number 1. Choose your selling model. Choosing your selling model on Amazon is one of the most important steps to succeed on the world's most popular online selling platform. There are two main sales models on Amazon: selling existing products, sometimes called resellers, and selling private label products, also called private label. Existing product sales, as the name implies, involve selling products already made by other companies. These can be well-known brands, niche products, or foreign products. This sales model can be a quick way to get started on Amazon, as there are no development or manufacturing costs to consider. However, it also comes with risks, including increased competition and lower profit margins. The private label model, also known as private label, involves creating your own brand of products and selling them on Amazon. These can be custom products, exclusive products, or enhanced products. This sales model can be more profitable in the long run, as profit margins are generally higher and there is less competition. However, the initial costs associated with product research, manufacturing, and brand building are higher. Step number 2. Understand Amazon's fee structure. Understanding Amazon's fee structure is critical to success in selling on the platform. There are several types of fees associated with selling on Amazon, such as commission fees, storage fees, and processing fees. The commission fee is the commission charged by Amazon on each sale made. This rate varies depending on the product category. Therefore, it is essential to study the commission rates carefully before you start selling on Amazon. Storage fees are related to the management of your inventory. Amazon stores your products in its warehouses and charges you a fee for this. These fees vary depending on the size and weight of your products, as well as the length of time you store them. It is therefore important to manage your inventory well to avoid high storage fees. Finally, the processing fees are related to the preparation and shipping of your products. They vary according to the size and weight of your products, as well as the destination of the shipment. It is then necessary to optimize the packing and the expedition of your products to minimize these expenses. Step number 3. Set up your seller account. Creating your seller account on Amazon is the first step to become a professional seller on the platform. It is necessary to understand that this requires some preparation, but it is worth it, as it will give you access to millions of potential customers all over the world. Before starting, it is useful to check if you are eligible to become a seller on Amazon. In particular, you need to have a valid VAT number for European businesses and be able to provide verifiable business information. It's also important to verify that you have the necessary permissions to sell the products you want to offer. Once you have verified your eligibility, you can begin setting up your seller account. The first step is to create a business account, which is different from a customer account. This account gives you access to additional features, such as managing your orders, invoices, and sales data. It is imperative that you fill in all the requested information carefully, as this will allow you to present yourself to customers in a professional manner. You can also add images and videos to present your products. It is also essential to configure your account settings, such as shipping options and return policies. These settings can be adjusted according to your needs, but it is important to configure them in a way that provides a quality service to your customers. Step number 4. Get business insurance. The fourth step to success on Amazon is to obtain business insurance. It's important to protect yourself from the risks of selling online, such as product damage in transit, regulatory compliance issues, and customer complaints. There are different types of business insurance for sellers on Amazon, including liability insurance, property damage insurance, and regulatory compliance risk insurance. Each of these types of insurance covers specific risks, so it's essential to understand the differences and choose the insurance that best suits your business. It's also important to know that some types of insurance are not mandatory, but may be highly recommended depending on your business. For example, if you sell electronic products, it would be wise to purchase physical damage insurance, as electronic products are often fragile and can easily be damaged in transit. You should also check to see if you already have insurance that covers some of these risks, such as professional liability insurance, which may be included in your home or auto insurance. Step number 5. Determine your tax and legal configuration. You should know that selling on Amazon is considered a business activity. Therefore, it is necessary to ensure that you comply with the tax and legal laws of your country. This may seem complex, but by following a few key steps, you can prepare yourself to avoid potential tax and legal issues. First, understand the different tax obligations that apply to you. These can include sales taxes, income taxes, and payroll taxes. It's important to know the tax rates in your country, and how they apply to the income you earn from selling on Amazon. Next, it's essential to make sure you have the right legal structure for your business. This could be a sole proprietorship, a corporation, or an existing legal structure. You should consult with an attorney or CPA to help you understand your options, and choose the one that best suits your needs. Finally, you need to keep your tax and legal records up to date. This may include keeping accounting records, reporting your tax income, and paying your sales taxes. It is essential to meet legal deadlines and ensure that you are in compliance with current regulations.
Step number 6. Learn to sell on Amazon. Proper training is necessary to master effective selling methods on Amazon. Whether you're just starting out or want to improve your Amazon selling skills, it's important to invest in solid and effective training. There are many online options for training, such as tutorial videos, webinars, online courses, and more. Be sure to choose training that covers the essential basics of understanding how selling on Amazon works, from product selection to sales management. By following these lessons, you will maximize your chances of success on Amazon. Step number 7. Selecting the right online tools for Amazon product search. How to select the right online tools for Amazon product search. There are many online tools that will help you find the best products to sell on Amazon. However, it is important to choose reliable and effective tools to avoid wasting time and money. One tool I highly recommend is Helium 10, which will help you conduct in-depth product research and find the best sales opportunities. By using Helium 10, you will be able to optimize your product search for the best results. You can find links to discounted subscription rates in the description of this video. Step number 8. Get product ideas. It's important to stay informed about market trends and what's selling well on Amazon. To find product ideas, you can look at current trends, market demand, and the popularity of similar products. You can also study buyer reviews and ratings to understand consumer needs and wants. It is important to take this information into account to choose products which meet the needs of the market with high sales potential. Step number 9, Advanced Product Research. Once you have come up with product ideas, it's time to do some advanced research. This involves looking at data on sales, competition, profit margins, and niche opportunities for your chosen product. You can use online tools to help you collect and analyze this data. As I've mentioned before, I recommend the great tools from Helium 10, so click on the link in the description of this video right away. This step is crucial in determining if a product is viable on Amazon and where you can differentiate your business. Step number 10. Find a supplier in China. To sell on Amazon, you need to find a reliable and profitable supplier in China. There are many options, but it's important to do zealous research to find a supplier that meets your criteria of quality, cost, and delivery time. You can use online platforms, such as Alibaba or DHgate, to find suppliers in China, but it's also important to check references and customer reviews to ensure the supplier is trustworthy. Step number 11, Order samples. Before ordering a large number of products, it is important to order a sample to ensure that the product meets your specifications and that the quality is satisfactory. You can also place a small test order to evaluate the performance of the product on Amazon. This will help you determine if the product is viable on Amazon and if the profit margins are sufficient. It is important to clearly define the product specifications to ensure that the supplier understands your expectations and delivers a product that meets them. Step number 12. Importing from China. It is essential to understand the different import methods available, such as container shipping, air freight, or rail freight, depending on the intended destination of the product in an Amazon warehouse. Each method has its own advantages and disadvantages, so weighing them carefully is essential to making an informed decision. Importing can be a complicated process, and it is essential to comply with applicable laws and regulations to avoid any customs problems or delays. To ensure a successful import, it is advisable to receive comprehensive training on import procedures. This training will give you a thorough understanding of the import process and equip you with the skills to avoid common mistakes. By applying the right practices and using the right tools, you can achieve a profitable import for your company.
Step number 13. Create your brand name. Developing a strong identity for your brand is essential to stand out on Amazon's marketplace. It's recommended that you come up with a name that is simple, memorable, and easy to pronounce. It's also important to be consistent in your branding across all online platforms, including social media and your website. It's a good idea to do some research to make sure your brand name isn't already being used by another company. Finally, register your brand to strengthen your legal protection and ensure that no one else can use it without your permission. Step number 14. Create your packaging. Your product's packaging is often the first point of contact with your customers, so it's important that it's attractive and presents your brand well. It's a good idea to choose high-quality materials for your packaging and include your company information, such as your brand name and logo. Also, make sure to use clear and easily readable labels for your products, which will help customers quickly know what they are buying. Finally, consider adding information about ingredients, instructions for use, and warnings where applicable. Step number 15. Optimize your listings. Amazon listing optimization is crucial to maximize your product's visibility. It is advisable to use relevant keywords in your title, description, and tags to ensure you rank well in Amazon search results. It's also important to keep your product information up to date, such as prices, shipping options, and available quantities. Finally, it's a good idea to add clear, quality images to show your product's features. Step number 16. Product photography. The images of your products can be crucial to the success of your business on Amazon. It is recommended to use professional images, with a white background for a clear and consistent presentation. Also, make sure to consider different viewing angles to show the details of your product. It is advisable to use high-quality images, so that customers can clearly see what they want to buy. Don't forget to use zoomable images, so buyers can see the details of your item. Finally, don't hesitate to include real-life examples in the images, to show how your product can be used in everyday life. Step number 17. The marketing strategy. To maximize the visibility of your product on Amazon, it is important to implement a solid marketing strategy. It is recommended to target relevant keywords to reach potential customers. It is also wise to work on building an email list to inform existing and potential customers about new products and promotions. It can also be beneficial to work on partnerships with influencers and other companies to promote your product. Step number 18. Set up Amazon PPC. Amazon PPC, pay-per-click, is an effective tool to increase the visibility of your product on Amazon. It is advisable to target relevant keywords so that your ad is displayed to potential customers. It is important to test different bids and targets to find the most effective strategy for your business. Also, be sure to monitor the performance of your ad to ensure that it is generating conversions and that you are getting a positive return on investment. Step number 19. Track customer reviews. Customer reviews are a key factor in the success of your business on Amazon. It's important to regularly monitor your product reviews to make sure they are positive and to quickly resolve any issues. It's a good idea to respond to customer reviews to show that you care about their experience and that you're willing to work to resolve any issues. Finally, don't forget to use customer reviews to continually improve your product and business.
Thank you for taking the time to watch our video about selling on Amazon. If you're here, you're determined to succeed on Amazon, and we're here to help. Subscribe to our channel to receive regular updates and exclusive tips for growing your business on Amazon. With the right tools and strategy, the possibilities of making money on Amazon are endless. Check out the links to the best software such as Helium 10, AMZScout and AMZScout, with their promo code in the video description. We want to hear from you. Leave us a comment to submit a topic, which could be the subject of a future video on selling on Amazon. If you enjoyed this video, leave us a like to encourage us. And finally, we have a new video that will interest you. Click on this video to discover even more tips and tricks about selling on Amazon. See you soon on our channel.